everyone, I'm back again today, and this time it's a project share, and this is a swap in the international group that Leslie Bromfield has put up, and you have to make 3 themed packs. I can never say it. Ephemera packs. So I've chose to do a tropical one for mine, and I've put a little cluster on the top, and it's filled up with loads of like tropical stuff. There's a bit of glue that's got on the back there that I'll have to sort out. So there's handmade pieces. So these are stamped, and I've watercoloured these with inks. That's, I don't know if it's going to pick it up, but that one's stamped and stamped with gold and then embossed over the top. That's watercoloured in. And then there's also die cuts and a tag. And you can't, and loads of little bits in there. That's a tag to go on. That's one of the file tab tops, and I've put in a set of these bookmarks as well. So, oh, and there is some letters in there, but you can't see them. But there is also letters in there as well. So that's the hula Ephemera pack. Is that how you say it? And this is travel. So I've just stuck a stamped image there and the word explore. And there's like postcards in here, envelopes, words, stamps. Actually, colour, well, I've just inked over them, but they're different stamps of the world. Like little tickets, buy Emil with love, and you know them little squiggly lines that you get. So you can't see everything because I think that was the Taj Mahal that just went flying past. Oh, there's Egypt. There is a Big Ben in there as well. But I can't seem to manoeuvre it. You can just see the top of Big Ben there. So that is what I did for my travel pack. And the last pack that I chose to do was like a cafe style. So I've done a cupcake and watercoloured it, and die cut from one of my nesting dies, and die cut yum, and I've stuck a little gem there just to accent it. And then this has got stamps in that I've coloured. I've actually coloured these in with the W.H. Smith's The Spectrum Sings colouring pencils, because they're the only ones that I'll use. And it's got words, stickers in, and die cuts as well. Again, because they're in bags, they're all sort of bunched together, so you can't sort of see everything. Those little donuts that I made using circle punch. Little fry boxes in there, drink cups. Little sundaes that I've coloured in, stamped and coloured in. So that's what I've done for my 3 packs for the group swap. I'll link the group below, the Facebook group, the international one which this is in, and the UK one as well, that's just for UK swaps. Okay then, thank you very much for watching. Bye.